Assalamu alaikum. I am Naila Sattar from Government Women Degree College, Kachaku. Today our topic is the properties of relations. First of all, I would like to recall the definition of the relation or table. A relation or table is the basis of a relational database management system. The properties or the characteristics of the relations are: number 1, there should be no duplicate rows exist. Is it clear? Number 2, the order of the rows is insignificant. Number 3, the order of the columns is insignificant. And number 4, columns or attributes are all elemental or atomic. Now I will explain you these 4 points, these 4 properties of the relations one by one. First of all, no duplicate rows exist. A table should not have two identical rows. It must have at least one column or set of columns to uniquely identify each row in the table. Such columns or the set of the columns is called primary key. So it ensures that every row in the table is identified using the value of the primary key. Our second property of the relation is the order of the rows is insignificant. The position of the row in the relation is insignificant. It's mean a row is not identified by its location in the relation. The rows can be retrieved in any order. And the same property is used for the columns. As I told you, the order of the rows is insignificant. So this point is related. The order of the columns is insignificant also. So the same thing here, the position of the column in the relation is insignificant. Position doesn't matter. So a column is not identified by its location in a relation. It is referenced by its name. So the columns can be retrieved in any order, just like the rows can be retrieved in any order. Our fourth property of the relation is the attributes should be atomic. An entry at the intersection of each row and column is atomic. Atomic mean the value should be elemental. A value that cannot be divided further is called the atomic value. It means that there can be only one value in each attribute of a specific row. So this is called the elemental value. This is called the atomic value. So every attribute should be atomic or elemental. So these were the properties of relation. If you have any problem, any query, any ambiguity, then you are welcome to ask any question. Thanks a lot.